Ditch out. To leave suddenly or cancel plans. She ditched out on dinner without telling us. Cat around. To flirt or sleep around. She used to cat around before settling down. Stir up. To create drama on purpose. She loves to stir up fights between people. Freak out. To panic or overreact. She freaked out over a tiny mistake. Cheat on. To be unfaithful in a relationship. She cheated on him but acted like she was the victim. Slut around. To sleep with many people without caring. People say she sluts around, but she doesn't care. Hook up with. To have a casual romantic relationship. She hooked up with her friend's ex-boyfriend. Lash out. To suddenly get angry and attack with words. She lashes out whenever she's stressed. Mess around with. To waste time or play with emotions. She keeps messing around with guys who actually like her. Run off with. To leave suddenly, often with someone's partner. She ran off with her best friend's boyfriend. Suck up to. To be overly nice to gain favor. She's always sucking up to the boss for a promotion. Come off as. To look a certain way, often in a bad way. She comes off as friendly, but she's actually fake. Act up. To behave badly or cause trouble. She always acts up when she doesn't get attention. Bitch out. To avoid something out of fear. She bitched out of telling the truth at the last moment. Blow up. To suddenly get very angry. She blew up over the smallest mistake. Boss around. To control people in an annoying way. She loves to boss around like she's in charge. Call out. To criticize someone publicly. She called me out in front of everyone for no reason. Come at. To attack or argue aggressively. She came at me just because I disagreed with her. Do over. To redo something for a better result. She always does over her selfies with too many filters. Drag into. To involve someone in drama. She dragged me into her breakup mess again. Flirt with. To show romantic interest, often inappropriately. She flirts with every guy, even taken ones. Gossip about. To spread rumors or talk behind someone's back. She's always gossiping about her so-called friends. Go off on. To yell or get very angry. She went off on me for being 5 minutes late. Look down on. To think someone is less important. She looks down on anyone who isn't rich. Pick on. To tease or bully repeatedly. She always picks on younger girls to feel better. Play up. To exaggerate a problem for attention. She played up her fight to make herself the victim. Put down. To insult or make fun of someone. She always puts down her friends in front of others. Show off. To act overly proud to impress people. She's always showing off her expensive clothes. Shut out. To exclude someone from a group. She shut me out just because I disagreed with her. talk down to. To speak as if someone is stupid. She talks down to everyone like she's better than them. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.